Your phone is not your friend. Let that sink in. That device in your pocket? It's not a tool. It is a weapon. A weapon of mass distraction engineered with military-grade precision for one purpose: to shatter your ability to think. And it's winning. Think about it. That project you had to finish today, that skill you swore you would learn this month, how much of that time was stolen by a quick scroll, a harmless notification, a 5-minute video that turned into an hour-long binge? You sit there surrounded by the ghosts of your unfinished goals, blaming yourself. You think the problem is your discipline. You think the problem is you. You're wrong. The problem is you're bringing a knife to a psychological gunfight, and you don't even know the war has begun. The real enemy, your brain, has been hacked. Now listen to me carefully. You think the problem is you, that you're lazy or broken. But what if I told you the game is rigged? Let's be clear. Your focus isn't weak, it's been hijacked. You are living in the attention economy. Every app, every website, every feed is a weapon, engineered by geniuses to steal one thing: your mind. They are professional thieves of human attention. Think of it like this. Deep, meaningful work is a healthy meal. But that notification, that new email, that's not just candy. It's a digital drug, and the dealer is your phone. Every buzz, every ping gives your brain a hit of cheap dopamine. It's a quick, easy high. And your brain, like any addict, has started to crave it. It has learned to choose the easy, meaningless buzz over the difficult, meaningful work. So no, you're not bad at concentrating. You are a trained addict and you don't even know it. The big lie, the myth of multitasking. But I'm a great multitasker. Let's kill that sacred cow right now. Multitasking is a neurological impossibility. It has never existed. It is a lie you tell yourself to justify being distracted. What you're really doing is called task switching, and it's the mental equivalent of taking 1 step forward and 2 steps back. Every time you switch tasks, you leave behind attention residue. A piece of your brain is still stuck on the last thing you were doing. It's not a skill. It's a bug in your operating system, and it's making you slow, inefficient, and stupid. Fix the 3-step battle plan. So how do you fight back? How do you break the addiction? This isn't a friendly tip. This is your battle plan. A 3-step ritual to take back your mind. Sassy Step 1, carve out your mission. Before you start, you define your victory condition. Vague goals are for amateurs, just you need brutal clarity. Not work on the report. It's write 500 words of the Q3 analysis. Not study for the exam, it's master Chapter 3 and complete the practice questions. If you don't have a crystal clear mission, you have already lost. Starting Step 2, engineer a fortress. Your environment will either defend you or betray you. You must build a fortress against distraction. The phone rule: put your phone in another room. This is not a suggestion. This is the law. If your phone is within arm's reach, you have already surrendered. The tab rule: close every single browser tab that is not essential for your mission. Be ruthless. The sound rule: headphones on. It's a shield. It tells the world and your own brain that you are at war with distraction. On Step 3, the 25-minute war. You can't win the whole day at once, but you can win the next 25 minutes. Set a timer for 25 minutes. For that 25 minutes, you do one thing and one thing only. You execute the mission and you fight. When a distraction comes, and it will, you don't engage. You acknowledge it and return to the fight. When the timer rings, you stop. You must take a 5-minute break. This is your ceasefire. This is when you can allow your addict brain a small controlled hit of the drug. Check your phone. Walk around. Then you get back to the war. 13-14 where Tustin Mafia Baparius. There's the long game. This is a fight. Sachin to Threnta oi to Threnta. Let me be blunt, but you will fail. The urge to get your next dopamine hit will feel overwhelming. You will lose some of these 25-minute sprints. So good. Focus is not a gift you're born with. It is a muscle forged in the fire of resistance. Every time you resist the urge to get distracted, you get stronger. Every time you finish a 25-minute session, you win a battle. This isn't about perfection. This is about fighting the next round. Who is in control? The war for the future is not fought with armies. It's fought for attention. Every day, powerful forces are fighting to control your mind. So the choice you have to make is simple. Continue to be a puppet, your strings pulled by every notification and buzz, a slave to the digital drug, or cut the strings. Take back the controls and become the master of your own mind. The choice isn't just about getting more done, it's about who is in control, you or them.